Right now in the online space, I know a whole lot of you will have been planning how you want your year to go, even as a freelancer trying to make money in the online space, and you've been looking for how you can scale your income with your particular skills and what you've been doing over the years, right? Now, what if I expose you to 5 different services that you can learn and master and start selling that as a freelancer in the online space in this 2026 to make your journey easier in order to make the desired amount that you want to make for yourself in this year? Before we go down to this video and all of these skills, I want you to like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe to this channel. And it's new year, and this is me wishing you happy new year, and I wish you the blessings and every of the very best things in this year should come straight to you right now. So if all of this being said, guys, I want to assume that you've liked this video, you've shared it with your friend, I even subscribed to this channel, and most you can wish me happy new year in the comment section so we can get to scale up from there. So after all of this being said, guys, let me walk you through all of these 5 different services that I'm talking about, and we are going to see the possibilities right here, and you see how it has been going over the months, and you can get to leverage on them right now. And if you don't know how to learn all of these things, I will recommend 2 ways that you can use to learn all of these things and how you can get the best results for yourself in the online space. Now, the number 1 skill is direct response copywriting, right? You see, this direct response copywriting is one of the very best skill that you can sell right now in 2026. The reason behind this is because, you know, a whole lot of businesses are trying to come online and they need a whole lot of copies to do whatever thing that they want, being it ad copy, AI video creation, all of those things, sales copy, all of these things, they are under direct response copywriting. And if you have a chance to master this particular skill, that is one of my prior skill that I do sell in the online space as a freelancer, you are eligible to make money for yourself on a daily basis, because these are daily consumption skill that businesses will want to hire people for every other day, right? And as you can see right here on my screen, this is Google Trends. So we'll be using Google Trends to track this analysis. And if I come over to this tab right now, like I said, direct response copywriting. So let's just put copywriting. You will see how it has been growing over the months. And you can see right here, this is the worldwide section, and you can see how it has been growing over the months in search results. You know, at some point it's where down, and right here in 2026, you can see it's going back up right now. The only thing that you can do for yourself right now is to get where you can learn this particular skill, and you join the moving train right now. As you can see, 2026 is going back up, and this is a daily income skill that I said you can leverage on, and you can start making money for yourself right now. There's a whole lot of places where you can get to learn all of this access. If you even want to learn all of these things, you can drop a comment in the comment section. I might even make a YouTube tutorial on how to do this in a layman language. But if you want to scale up your journey faster, you can go over to Coursera, Udemy, and even search online to get courses that break all of this thing down and get you the knowledge that you need to survive with this particular skill right now. The second one that I'm going to talk about right now is short form video editing. Right now, you see a whole lot of businesses still want to grow their social media accounts, and the very best way they can use to communicate with their audience is by posting shorts, reels, and all of those things like Instagram reels, TikToks videos, and every other social media that supports reels, even YouTube shorts and Facebook reel. All of these things are what business owners or staffs can easily pull out, and they can just like sit down like I am right now facing the camera, and they just record a short video to engage more audience so they can get the result that they want, right? So this particular skill as well is what you can render to make money for yourself. So if you come over to Google Trend again right here, and I'm coming over right here, I click this off. So right now we want to check short form videos. You can see short form. Let's say let me come over right here, short form. All right, video. Okay, if you come over right here, you can see now again it's still going down, and you can see the impression right here is going back up a little bit. And trust me, this is one of the skills that you can sell right now, and you can still make money for yourself. Now let's break this down. Did you want to go into like TikTok video editing or YouTube shorts or anything? Now let's close this down. Let's put in YouTube shorts, for example. You're going to see how this look. If we come over to YouTube shorts, you can see the momentum as well. It's still going the same direction with general niche, but this particular skill is what businesses are looking for to hire right now, and all of these things that they need to grow their presence in the online space to get more results for themselves right now. The third skill that you can learn right now if you want to make money in the online space in 2026 is AI video creation. You can see a whole lot of videos have been going around on the internet, AI generated content and all of those things. If you are able to learn this particular skill and you get good at it, you can get a whole lot of gigs every other day to get to create videos for businesses in the online space, for them to be it ad video, explanatory video, or any type of video that they might need for their business. Is something you can absolutely create and you can get good results from. Right? So I know a guy in my community that has been doing this crazily over the time, and this guy is pulling every amount from this particular skill every other month as a freelancer, right? So this particular skill is what you should learn now if you want to scale up your journey in the online space. Now, if you want to scale up faster, I will advise you to pick it up as a niche market. You have to like select a particular niche that you want to be working with over the time, and you can scale it up. If you have a Fiverr account as a new seller, I guess you can only create like 4 gigs, right? You see, out of these 4 gigs, you can easily basically get things done, and you can let your first gig be like restaurant video editing or video creation, or maybe real estate video creation, and all of those things. Just implement it to a particular niche instead of you putting it as AI video creation. This thing is basically because a whole lot of buyers will search a keyword related to their service or to their profession to get the targeted seller, right? Now, when you are doing this, you are trying to trigger the algorithm to rank you to those people that is looking for a niche creators, not just the general public. Now, the fourth one that I want to expose you to is I want you to like this video, share with your friend, and subscribe to this channel. Let's go to 7,000 subscribers this month so we can use this as a new year gift for me personally and for our general community, right? Now, the first skill that I'm going to talk about right here is AI automation specialist. If you can set up AI automation, you are good to make a whole lot of money for yourself, and without wasting time at all, you can easily get gigs on Fiverr and other platforms as a freelancer. Right? So all you need to do is to understand the type of automation that you can do and the businesses that you want to use it to serve. Is it AI call agents, AI test back, or anything at all? I know a whole lot of guys that they are doing this in my community, and they are pulling out every funds every other time from this particular skill. So if you are looking forward to learn and scale up your freelance journey, this is definitely one of the skills that you should leverage on right now, and you can get good results from as well, right? Now, the fifth and the last one that I'm going to talk about in this video is script writing, right? You see, script writing is one of the best things that you can do right now because it's easy. If you have AI, you have a whole lot. All you need to do is to have an idea about storytelling and every other thing of such, so you can get to scale up yourself as a pro in that field. You see, script writing is one of the crazy things that I can always believe in that can guarantee you money. I have a personal person to me, a personal friend that's very close to me, like my neck vein like this, that is doing that particular skill, and I can bet it with you, the figure this guy is pulling out from just a particular client is one of the best that you could ever get every other month, right? Now, AI script writing is something basically simple by you just writing scripts for people, and you know a whole lot of people are trying to start a faceless channel. Even me now, I'm trying to like get over to the faceless channel and have other channel where I do a whole lot of other stuff. So I need script writer as well. So this is something you can basically leverage on right now, and you can make money for yourself, right? So you have a whole lot of opportunities to leverage on. So I don't want you to start this new year on a rough ground. And you know, this 2026, we are getting everything faster. And I want to tell you, the freelance market has revolved than where you know it when you are doing rewriting and a logo design, all of those things. Although they are still valuable and they are still selling massive, but the competition right there is what make everything crazy, right? So these are things that you can leverage on right now, and you can get good results for yourself in the online space without any hassle, right? Now, I want you to like this video. Like I said, share with your friend. Let's go over to 7,000 subscribers in this month, and we can see how far we can grow before this year is run out, right? So all of this being said, if you want to learn any of these skills, you can go over to Udemy, Coursera, or even Lancer.net. You can get a whole lot of courses, or you can drop a comment in the comment section about the particular one that you want to learn, and I might send you a free resources to get this done. And you see, this year we are going to be helping ourselves a whole lot by me sharing gifts and also helping people to get started about their online journey. It may be teaching them skills for free and all of those things that can help you scale and give you ideas, insights, coach you personally, and all of those things is coming up on this channel this particular year. I'll be opening community on here or YouTube as well, where you can discuss with other people, and also you can use the first link in the description below to join my WhatsApp community, where we discuss everything and we get to scale up ourselves together, so you can be part of them as well, right? So like I said, this new year is a new momentum for us, and I want you to get yourself ready, start on a good ground, and I will see you in the next video where I walk you through another process where we are going to get started about this year. As we are growing, we are going to build businesses, we are going to build opportunities, we are going to leverage on a whole lot of stuff that's going to make us money and give us the life that we want, right? So like this video again, share with your friend, subscribe to this channel, and if all of this being said, guys, this is Life of Homies, and I will see you in the next video.